Face Exercise Skincare is an innovative Android application designed to promote facial fitness and skin health through targeted exercises and routines. This app focuses on providing users with a variety of exercises aimed at toning facial muscles, improving blood circulation, and enhancing overall skin appearance. The application typically features instructional videos or illustrations that demonstrate proper techniques for performing facial exercises. Users can follow guided workouts that address specific areas of the face, such as the cheeks, jawline, and forehead, helping to reduce signs of aging like sagging skin and wrinkles. In addition to exercises, the app may offer skincare tips and recommendations for products that complement the workout routines. Users might also find progress tracking features, allowing them to monitor improvements in muscle tone and skin vitality over time. Overall, Face Exercise Skincare provides a holistic approach to facial care, combining exercise with skincare knowledge to help users achieve a healthier, more youthful complexion in a convenient and engaging format.